Good morning. Actually, the good morning has started with something really good morning. Let me show you. I think it's the perfect sign for me to start the vlog with making a coffee. Shroom coffee. You see it? As it's raining, फिर से कॉफ़ी बनाते हैं. A little bit of mixing is what I go with. तो चलो. Blueberry it is. Then we have some yogurt. योगर्ट कम पानी ज़्यादा लग रहा है. One more thing. Last scoop of my whey protein. आई लास्ट रील मैंने एक लाइक पॉडकास्ट शूट किया था जहाँ पे मैंने बोला था कि द न्यू जेंजी इशू इज बेसिकली दैट दे वांट टू कम एंड दे आर टाइमिंग देयर वे एंड दे आर क्रिएटिव ब्लॉग्स. Bro, when I was assisting a photographer in Thailand named as Sales Chong, he is from China. So I was his big fan since 5 years. तो मैं जब assist करने गया था तो he would turn around and I would know which light to help him with. Though I'm not his assistant, I paid for the workshop.
Okay.
So the third day he's telling me, "Hey bro, you're acting more like an assistant to me." So I told him because after 5 years I got an opportunity to learn under you.
Exactly.
So that approach is no more there.
वही रहता है यहाँ का भी वैसे ही है ना. पीपल आर लाइक इफ यू आस्क समवन ना कि मुझे फोटोग्राफी का ये सीखना है वो सीखना है करके लाइक नहीं टाइम नहीं है. कम एट दिस टाइम, कम एट दैट टाइम ब्रो, ये वो करके. यहाँ पर वो अप्रोच ही नहीं है रे वो सब चीज़ों का. और सीखना नहीं है सबसे पहले.
सीखना.
सीखना
And this
मेन प्रॉब्लम.
bro, going through Instagram stories or reels or watching small YouTube videos is not for learning. What's up? So I don't think Delhi is that hot, honestly, because Bombay has a lot of humidity. So I'm used to having crazy humidity around, which makes you feel more, makes you more sweaty and stinky at the same time. So Delhi is good that way. I'm heading to the hotel. Super excited to check the room because it's the first time where I'm staying in a room which is like has like different royal textured walls and like a pillar in between. Just checked in the room and honestly it's like I'm staying in some 80s 90s palace. I don't have to explain much. I'm just spinning the camera, see the view. I think आपने मुझे 2 साल पहले पिच किया था.
यस अराउंड 2 years ago. सो मैंने काम तो ऑब्वियसली वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा था देख के. सो मैंने कहा एक जो होता है ना कि जनरली मुझे जो पसंद है फोटोग्राफी की स्किल्स, जो कंसेप्ट, एक वाइब मैच करनी चाहिए कि मुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए, मतलब कॉम्बिनेशन है फिटनेस, सिनेमाटोग्राफी, एवरीथिंग।
Yeah.
सो एक मुझे कोई पहले पसंद था और इंडिया में, और एक इसके बाद मुझे इनका काम बहुत
Exactly.
हाँ।
Because physique is equal to character.
हाँ
Character is equal to concept and ideas.
कि फेस लुक क्या, बिकॉज ये एक्सपीरियंस से चीज़ आती है जब आप मल्टीपल पर्सनैलिटीज के साथ काम करते हो कि ये इसके साथ देखो ये चीज़ निकली थी। अब ऑब्वियसली फोटो शूट है तो डिसेंट फिजिक चाहिए, तो वो कहीं से भी निकल सकती है,
हाँ,
ठीक है। तो बट ये है कि उसको कंसेप्चुअल कैसे, अब आपने कंसेप्ट सोचा, मैं एग्री था, मैं कहा, लोग कहते हैं कहीं डिफरेंट करने को, मैं कहा नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, एक अपनी पर्सनैलिटी भी सूट करना चाहिए।
Exactly.
वाइब मैच करती है ना, कि आपने कहा हाँ मैं,
बट मैंने जो कंसेप्ट दिया इट मैच
सूट करता है, मैच करता है, बिल्कुल डिफरेंट नहीं है, तो ही मैं एग्री हुआ ना उस चीज़ में कि हाँ ये वी कैन ट्राई दिस, यस वो कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज हाँ ये मैच करते हैं। बिल्कुल डिफरेंट जाने में भी थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल होता है, बट ये ऐसे एक फोटोग्राफर देख रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली आप देख रहे हो तो आप इतना काम करते हो, आपको पता होगा बेटर कि हाँ इस पे सूट करेगा। ऑब्वियसली आप वैसे तो नहीं हो एमेचर, बिल्कुल एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हो इस पे, नहीं चीज़ भी तो चलनी चाहिए ना उस पर।
100%।
तो वो चल रही है, अब देखते हैं अभी शूट होगा तो कैसी निकल के आती हैं।
यस सर, चलो ठीक है, चेंज करो अभी। लुक 1। I saw you from literally like just starting. You were just starting. मतलब you had a good physique, but you were just starting. So you were for searching photographer. तब से तुम्हारी grooming भी हुई है अच्छी खासी।
मैं अभी तो ध्यान नहीं देता, मैं मेरे को मेरी वाइफ करवाती है क्या करो क्यों नहीं करते, मैं यार क्या करना। फिर मैं सोचता हूँ मैं चलो लीन होते हैं, मैं यार ठीक है लुक्स भी थोड़ी
Very important.
हाँ कर लें।
ये है कि आप बैठोगे और नीचे में दिखा, जैसे मैं क्लिक चेंज करते रहूंगा आप पीछे देखोगे, अपना आप चेंज करो, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला आपको, क्योंकि यू हैव टू गेट इन दैट वाइब। फिर आगे रखो, फिर मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि ये साइड अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ये साइड अच्छा लग रहा है, ये साइड वाइब नहीं आ रहा है, ये साइड फेस अच्छा लग रहा है। मैं सिर्फ सजेशन दूंगा, बट जो भी है वो कैरेक्टर आपको ही निकालना है।
ना सिनेमैटिक दिख रहा है, देखो ऐसा लग रहा है कि प्रदीप का शूट हो रहा है। नाइस, क्लोज अप लेते हैं।
हेलो एवरीवन, सो दिस इज़ योर आई ब्रो सन्नी गिल। और जैसे कि पहले उसमें था, शूट हमारा डन हो चुका है, काफ़ी अच्छा गया, कंसेप्ट काफ़ी यूनिक था, और ग्रे डॉट ने जो हमने सोचा था वो आया है बिल्कुल शूट में, एंड काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। मे बी इन फ्यूचर दोबारा कुछ कंसेप्ट नया लेके आएंगे जो माइंड में आता रहेगा म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ। सो वी विल कीप यू अपडेटेड एंड होप फॉर द बेस्ट।
2,000 years later.
Where are you? Where are you?
You're looking jacked.
Dude, thanks.
A few moments later.
This is my entry jugaad partner. What's up, guys? Back to the hotel room, and today's experience was great because I planned this entire trip to I planned this entire trip in a way where I would not expect, and I get an opportunity to talk to Ryan Derry, and then I get to know that he likes my work and he agrees to work with me, and I'm going to work with him in next 1 hour. So I'm already super stressed about a lot of things. Meanwhile, I have to edit Sameet's picture
Stop it. Get some help.
because I promised him that we are posting. I just did not promise him, I promised myself as well. So super excited. Most exciting part of the day, shooting Ryan. I think it's like a dream for me to shoot with him. Hello. Thanks for waiting.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. How excited are you, Ryan?
Hello. Very excited. Let's go. Would you like to say something?
Ryan Derry is behind. I don't want to say anything.
I can see the visuals.
Yeah. Your chest is so big.
Sorry.
Right.
Hello.
Is this backup?
That's ace. Look at that.
Backup?
Back up. What do you mean?
Backup?
What?
Backup? You don't know what backup means?
No, not a clue.
Backup means when we pack the shoot, like the shoot is done.
Oh, shut down. All right. No, we just dropped the mic.
What we say, it's a wrap.
That's a wrap. We're done. We're out. See you later.
Okay, right.
Can I have my payment now? Can I have my payment?
Yeah, pay me now, all right?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Sheru Anchorish here, welcome to my world. That's where the law of karma come as well, because अगर हम एक स्टेप लेंगे, ठीक है, डिपेंडिंग वो ठीक है कि गलत, हमारी लाइफ वैसे मूव हो जाएगी because we are existing in a way. But at one time, our consciousness is present in one moment because we don't have access to infinite dimensions.
Yes.
But we are existing.
I remember that there was a topic of multiverse. Yeah.
Yes, that's a topic of multiverse. But when it comes to even, you go into the subatomic particle structure, which means proton, neutron, electron, which is Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Shiva, which act completely as, preserver, destroyer, and a creator. So that concept is also, explained in our Vedas as well. So when we talk about Shrimad Bhagavatam, or you start reading any old scriptures, you'll be amazed how much knowledge has been there,
Yes.
which been suppressed. So I mean, I'll say to each and every youngster of India, which we have seen actually the big transitions, not from my era, but like from young people like yourself. Younger generation is very questionable. They ask questions. They want to actually learn about spirituality, and which is the best thing because this is a big positive transition. Even though social media is existing, I think people should also tap into the knowledge. They should ask questions. They should definitely meditate. They should talk about spirituality, but not in the way that ये थोपना नहीं चाहिए कुछ. But I think for our mental health, when people start meditating and start waking up early, you actually are in sync with the universe. The first page of Rig Veda tell us the importance of Brahmuhurtam.
Right.
So Brahmuhurtam is, people say any, time between 3 and 6 a.m. But to do the exact calculation, it's 1 hour 36 minutes before the sunrise.
Right.
So it depends like summertime or winter time. So based upon that, say today's sunrise in India was 5:35 a.m.
5:35, yeah.
So you go, reverse it. So for 3:59, the Brahmuhurtam started today, hypothetically. So if you meditate in, you pick that time and the Muhurtam is for 48 minutes. If you meditate that time, it's like you taking a shortcut. Which means, in a simple word, your manifestation power and, what you are trying to achieve in life, your goal become very, very clear because you are in sync with your own self. Because our human brain is the most powerful tool, but we need to understand how we can utilize this
That's
tool.
true.
Either thoughts become things or what you're trying to achieve in life, you will start getting cosmic knowledge. When we meditate and we driving all the cosmic force from the universe, and that energy is 9 times more powerful than what you consume from the food.
So what are you training today?
I do shoulders.
fast of heavyweight people.
What's up? So, I planned my day in such a way where again I would block for myself, but not possible. I started working at probably 10 a.m. and it's like 8 p.m. right now. Back to my room, transferred all the files of the edit. I'm gonna edit. I'm having a granola bar because that's the only thing I can have in calories. That's the only thing I have at the moment. So I'm just having that, having a protein, hitting the workout. At the same time, editing. So it's just gonna be a shuffle between one set and then few edits, one set and then few edits. You can do it! How interesting is this? So this is the Technogym equipment and it has like a ROM data. So if I press it, it counts the ROM. It's good to train because I set an agenda for myself that I'm going to train no matter what.